Hello, hello, hello. How are you? This is Els coming from Bemis Crafty Corner, and today we're doing a bit of a product review, and we are reviewing this product. Okay, so let me start off by telling you what this is, where I got it, and all of that fancy stuff. So this is a set of rulers from, I got this from Amazon, from an Amazon seller, and it is supposed to be a set of, you know, Terran rulers, okay? And it comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different edged rulers, and 2 of these fillable water pens, okay? So you can, you know, trace the edge. I don't see where these would work on some of the more intricate ones, but, you know, they send you 2 of those as well. They're refillable. I have no use for them, so, but we do have 5 of these. So we have your standard wave edge and a smaller wave edge. And you have this one, which I call the heartbeat. And then you have a little heartbeat. And then you have just like a really scrappy edge there. And then you have your hills and valleys, a big one and a little one, and they're both sides. And then this one again is just a scrappy, torn edge on both sides, okay? So, I'm going to get out some different kinds of paper, and I will be back. And we're going to put these through their paces, and then we'll do a review. We'll be right back. All right, so we're back. I'm going to apologize for the glare, but these are metal rulers, okay? So, other than the decals, you know, the marks, these do measure in centimeters and inches, and they have this line in the middle. And that, according to the manufacturer, is so that you can put this on a piece of paper and use a craft knife to cut a straight edge, okay? Which I guess is helpful if you want to do like a border or something. So, we are going to start with the basic ones, and that is these 2 here. That's the hills and valleys and the deckled, you know, wavy edge, okay? So I have here some common papers. I have some vellum, some 65-pound cardstock, some scrapbook paper, some 110-pound cardstock, and just some plain printer copy paper, okay? So we're going to start off with the lighter materials first, and that would be the certainly the vellum. So we're just going to put this down. We're going to put our hand on it. And it does not do fantastic on the vellum, okay? Yes, it's wavy, but it's not wavy like that is wavy, okay? Let's see how it does on regular cardstock. Very hard to pull, but it does put the wave in. Scrapbook paper. Yes, but again, it's not wavy. I don't have a lot of hope for the 110-pound cardstock, to be honest, because we had a hard time with the regular cardstock. Yeah, that just is horrible. You can see it just kind of tears it. All right, and regular copy paper. not so bad. Not fantastic, but not too bad. Okay. I will judge that this one's probably going to be the same way. Okay. So let's talk about the other ones. And that is the more detailed ones. Again, we're going to start with vellum. Not so good. It's there, but again, it doesn't quite, you can see, it's a little bit off. You still get the look, but it's a little bit off, okay? Let's go with one of these very busy ones. It's a little better. That one's a little bit better. Not by much, but a little better. And one of these really busy ones. This edge is really busy. And that one cut perfectly. Okay. So let's try some regular some regular cardstock. That one does pretty good. It's pretty much the edge. But what I want to try is I'm going to try doing this upside down, okay? And the reason I want to do that is because if you feel the front of this, it has kind of a lip on it, and the back does not. So I want to try this on the back. I'm going to put some copy paper in here. A little bit better. It's a very ragged looking edge. Okay, so these are definitely two-handed. And you do get 5 edges. And if you're patient, you know, your 5 edges are going to come out. Okay. So, let's go ahead. And I'm going to clear this away and get out our sheet. And we're going to go ahead and rate this. I'll be right back. All right. So today's item is our tearing rulers. It's 5 pieces plus the water pens. I will put a snapshot of the ad in the video, and I'm going to put a link in the description. Okay. So the material. Okay, so the materials that they're made from, this is aluminum, and out of, you know, all the materials, this one's probably not the best because it's very bendable. It slides on the board. I'm going to give it a 3. Okay, ease of use, definitely 2 hands, and you kind of have to practice at it. I'm going to give it a 3. Now, the price for the product on this one was $9.99. So the price for this was fantastic. So we're going to give that a 5. And so gives us an overall score of 11 with an average score of 3.66. So, you know, it's better than average, but we're always searching for that 4. So, that's it, guys. That's all I have for you today. Would I recommend this product? If you want the tearing rulers and you like the fact that you get all 5 of them and you can look past that it takes a little bit of extra work, yeah, it's probably a good deal. Am I going to recommend it? Not really. For me, it has to be a 4 or better to recommend. So this one's kind of on that border. Certainly not for anybody who's got like carpal tunnel, or if you have trigger finger issues or hand issues, this is probably not the easiest tearing ruler set to get. But that's it. That's all I have for you today. If you have any questions or comments, put them in the comment section below. Check out the description for all kinds of links, and check out the community tab for videos that I have coming up. Till the next time, stay well, my friends. Bye-bye.